Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys on a simple and affordable morning skincare routine. So basically I am going to be taking away most of the products and I'm going to be using like something that you can literally find every time anywhere. So stick around and let's get into the video. So for some time now, I have been using this Nano Extra White soap as my face wash, and I'm definitely going to be making a review on this soap because it's been doing wonders. I just use it as my face wash and not for my body wash. So I'm just going to use the soap ladder all over my face, blend it into my skin. When I mean blend, make sure that I won't be seeing any ladder or any other thing. I'm gonna blend it in. And after blending it in, I'm gonna leave it for like 2 minutes before washing it out. So I'm done washing it out and I had like soap into my eyes because I was rushing to come meet you guys. And I'm going to use like a clean towel. You guys, please don't make this mistake. Don't use the same towel that you use to clean your body after bath to also clean your face. Please don't make that mistake. It's a huge mistake if you're doing that. So I'm definitely going to dab the water off my face, not like using it to scrub my face. I'm definitely dapping it. Then the next one is moisturizing our face. So I'm going to be using this Blue Seal Vaseline to moisturize my face. You guys might have seen tons of video on how to actually use one dazzle Vaseline in your face. If you actually watch most video, then you not even ask me why I'm using Vaseline and no product, because I've actually used more product. But when I started using Vaseline, I found out that there was like a huge difference between using Vaseline and most product. Not like I'm saying you should not use your product, because I can wake up one day and decide to start using product, but for the meantime we're using Vaseline. Then after that I am going to be going in with my face cream. You guys already know, OGs in this channel, you should know that I've always liked this company, this product. This is like the second time I'm using the container and it's just so good. It does the job very well. So I'm just gonna blend it into my skin. Yeah. After that, we're gonna be going in with our vitamin E. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this vitamin E product. It was so hard to open, so I just used my teeth. Pardon my manner. So one thing about this vitamin E serum is that it's just so thick, and I think I've made like a review of this product just in case you need to know why I love it very much. I'm going to link the video up here or also leave it in the description. So go ahead and watch it. After that, we're going in with our sunscreen. So I think I made a review on this sunscreen. Did I make the video? Did I later post that video? I can't remember, but if I haven't, I'm gonna make the review. This has been the sunscreen for me. Like I've used it to it helps to cure hyperpigmentation. It prevents you from sun. I think I'm gonna make a review on that if I haven't. So it's suitable for any skin. It's moisturizes and easy to absorb, refreshing and not oily. Always guides skin for healthier purpose, mild and not irritating. So next I'm going to be moisturizing my lips because I forgot to do that when I was applying the Vaseline as a moisturizer. So I'm going to do that on my lips to keep it, should I say wet? Let me not say that. But just to keep it looking refreshing and many more. Of course, this video won't be complete if I don't brush my brows. I'm gonna be brushing that. I don't know if it's part of the skincare, but I'm so obsessed with brushing my brows. That's why I hardly carve it, because I would always want something to brush. Why is obsessed with brushing their brows with me? How I wish like it's more full. I'm not even gonna try to to carve it ever. And with that, we call it a day here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Leave us a beautiful comment. Of course, compliment my skin. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye. Catch you later.